Today's video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest method on how can you actually install Google Play Store directly on your Windows 11 without having to install third-party apps or emulators. Before we actually start, just a short message from our sponsor. CDKOffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy licensed keys. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the buy now button. I know their licensed keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. Going back, so far this is the easiest method that I've actually tried myself. Hence, let's now go to our desktop so that I can show you on how can we actually install Google Play Store or Android apps directly on your Windows 11. Alright, now that we are on our Windows 11 desktop, let's now go ahead and open up our web browser. Go ahead and proceed to this link which I'll be posting on the description, and you'll be shown with the GitHub page of the PowerShell Windows Toolbox. This is an open source application that we are going to be using in this video to be able to install the Google Play Store easily on your Windows 11. What you will have to do is to just simply go ahead and scroll down to the middle part of the page until you see this command right here. Simply go ahead and copy this command right here, and then go ahead and go to the start menu and look for PowerShell. Right click the Windows PowerShell and make sure to run it as administrator. Hit the S button if you are prompted with the UAC right here. And once the PowerShell is loaded up, next just go ahead and paste the link that we've just copied a while ago and hit the enter button on your keyboard. And then you will now be shown with this particular window right here. What we're interested in is to go first on the backup and restore and click on the create restore point. We are going to create first a system restore point so that we can go back or undo all the changes that we've made in case something goes wrong during the process of installation. Once then, it will take you back to the Windows Toolbox app. Just simply go ahead and look for the install Google Play Store for Windows 11. You'll be shown with this window right here. If you're shown with this prompt right here wherein the PC will automatically restart after enabling the Windows Subsystem for Android, just simply type in yes right here. Alright, after a successful restart on your computer or your laptop, we can now go ahead and go back to our web browser and then go to the previous link that we've opened a while ago, which is the GitHub page for the PowerShell Windows Toolbox project. Go ahead and scroll down again on the middle until you see the command that we've copied a while ago to open up the toolbox. Just go ahead and copy this one, go ahead and minimize this window, and then go ahead and open up once again a PowerShell command line on your Windows. Make sure to also run the command line as administrator and hit the S button once you're prompted with this window. Go ahead and paste the command that we have just copied a while ago and hit the enter button on your keyboard to open up the Windows Toolbox. Once the Windows Toolbox is opened, we're just going to put this a little bit higher so that we can see all the controls right here. We're going to scroll down on the bottom once again and click on the install Google Play Store for Windows 11 once again. It will ask us a different prompt this time around, which is to download new version of Windows Subsystem for Android with Google Play Store service compatibility. All we have to do is just enter P on our keyboard to proceed with this process. Go ahead and copy this link right here and paste it on your web browser. Maybe you could open a new tab and paste it right there, and it will take you to this download page right here. However, I have already downloaded this one a while ago, so I'm just going to open this one up on my downloads folder. You can see here the Windows Subsystem for Android update 7Z file right here, which is compressed zip file. So we're just going to right click on this one and click on the copy as path. Go ahead and minimize this window and even the browser so that we could have a clear view right here. Just go ahead and paste the path of the file on this command line right here. Once you've pasted the path for the Windows Subsystem for Android, 7-zip compressed file, all you have to do is just hit the enter button on your keyboard. All you have to do again is to just wait for this process to complete. And once it is done, you will be shown with all of these apps right here, such as this Windows Subsystem for Android app that shows you a progress that it is currently starting up that particular app. Let's minimize this Windows toolbox right now, and also this Windows Subsystem for Android settings, as we are not going to touch mostly some of the settings right here right now. And all we have to do is go to this optional diagnostic prompt that we might be shown. Just simply click on the continue button, and we are just going to wait until this process is complete, and it should automatically turn on the developer options right here. And as you can see, a notification is shown right here that Google Play Protect is currently turned on. Hence, the Google Play Store is now currently installed on our Windows 11. To open up the Google Play Store, simply go to the search button on your taskbar and then search Play Store. And you'll be able to see here the Google Play Store app installed directly on your Windows 11. All you have to do is just right click on this one and click on the pin to start or pin to taskbar for easier access. Go ahead and click on the Google Play Store right here to open up the Google Play Store, and you have successfully installed Google Play Store directly on your Windows 11 without the need of any third-party emulators or applications. Hopefully after this video, we're now able to install Android apps directly on your Windows 11. Again, this is your TECHY here. See you in my next tech videos.